You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Latin phrase once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more Latin expressions and how to say them correctly, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. Latin pronunciation: audere, meaning to dare; est, meaning is; facere, that's the classical Latin pronunciation, facere. In more modern Latin pronunciation, you may hear it pronounced as facere, which is more the Latin of the Catholic Church in Rome, facere. So both pronunciations are correct and exist, facere or facere. But classical Latin is more often audere est facere, meaning to dare is to do. Audere est facere, in English the pronunciation audere est facere. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.